My cute fountain. So cute. Oh. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Oh, if you cover the sun, kasi will stop the swimming. You see. Ah. Oh, si Daddy buy this one. Now only I notice the water come out. Okay guys, thank you for watching my mini phone fountain. Wow, so nice.